going to revise chapter number 6, changes around us. Yes, students, what do you mean by changes? What are the different kinds of changes? What causes the changes? Okay, we will see all these. We will get the answer of all these. First of all, tell me what changes do you observe around you? When you come to school, at home, in the kitchen, in the school, observe yourself. What changes you observe in you? Yes, beta.
In school, there are many students and our friends that homework and homework.
Yes, you observe that you grow taller. Okay, the clothes you were wearing in 3rd standard, 4th standard uniform, that will not fit you now. Clear? वो कपड़े छोटे हो जाते हैं ना, वो अब आपको नहीं आएंगे. It means you are growing taller. You become heavier also, stronger also. That is changing yourself. Around you in the garden, you see seeds germinate. They become small plant. Like first of all, seeds. When they germinate, they become seedling. And then seedling will grow into small plant. Then it will become a tree. Okay, the size of the tree is bigger than seedling. Clear? Changes are there. You observe many changes around you. Some of the changes may be natural, some of the changes may be man-made. So when seed grows into seedling, it is a natural change. It is a natural change. Some changes are man-made, like you sharpen your pencil, it becomes smaller in size. This change is involving your energy. Clear? So there are some causes of changes, some types of changes we will study today. This is natural change, and what are the different causes of changes? Like some changes are caused due to heat. Heat causes some changes. Can you give example which are caused due to heat? Yes?
My clothes dry due to heat.
Very good. Our clothes dry. Clothes get dry, and when we cook food, we require heat. So cooking for food, it also requires heat. And the water cycle, then evaporation is there. When water evaporates, it requires heat. And some changes are caused due to force. We need to apply force. Then these changes are there. Give a few examples which are caused due to the force.
Pushing a table.
Pushing a table.
Hit the
Yes, when we stretch a rubber band. When we stretch a spring. Okay. When we stretch a rubber band, we need force. Okay, to open the bottle, to close it, we require force.
To throw the ball.
To throw the ball, we require force. Some changes are there. That will be change of the place. First it will be placed at one place, then there will be change of the place of that ball. So we can change the shape of the ball by applying force. And one thing is there, when we heat the metals, one quality of metals is there, they expand in size. Can you give an example? Here you have seen the metals expand in size. What is the use of that in our daily life? When heat is there, when we heat the metals, this is the quality of the metals. Metals expand on heating. This quality is used to fix the handles onto the tools. Iron tools, जो आयरन के टूल्स होते हैं, उनके हैंडल होते हैं, they fit, what do they do? The blacksmiths, what do they do? They will heat the metallic part of the tool. So metallic part, that is ring of the tool, is heated. Like say this is the metallic part of the tool. Okay, it is having ring. This part is heated. Clear? When we heat it, it expands in size. It becomes slightly bigger in size. Clear? When it becomes bigger in size, then we fix the handle, wooden handle into it. Immediately we passes the wooden handle into it. And after that, when it cools, it contracts. It becomes slightly smaller. It will come in the original size. क्या करते हैं? पहले जो मेटालिक पार्ट है उसको हीट करते हैं. हीटिंग से क्या होता है? Range of that metallic tool, it becomes bigger. It expands in size. Then we immediately put the wooden handle into it. And when it cools, when this ring will cool, it will contract, smaller in size, छोटा हो जाएगा, and it will tightly, the wooden handle will tightly fix into that ring. And another example is there when we fix the rim on the wooden cart wheel. Wooden cart wheel के ऊपर ring, metallic ring होती है to protect इसकी जो wear and tear ना हो. तो metallic ring भी कैसे fix करते हैं? They heat the metallic ring first. When it expands, बनाते कैसे? It is of the same size of that of the wheel. जो वुडन कार्ट व्हील है उसका साइज और रिंग का साइज सेम होता है. बट फिक्स कैसे करेंगे? अदरवाइज फिक्स नहीं होगी. वी विल हीट द रिम. आयरन रिम होती है, मेटालिक होती है, उसको हीट करते हैं. हीट करने के बाद इमीडिएटली इट इज फिट ऑन द वुडन कार्ट व्हील. देन वी विल पुट वाटर ऑन इट. जब वाटर डालेंगे तो उसका साइज छोटा हो जाएगा. इट विल टाइटली फिट ऑन द व्हील ऑफ द वुडन कार्ट. वुडन कार्ट है, वुडन व्हील है, उसके ऊपर वो टाइटली फिक्स हो जाएगी रिम. As you can see, it's given in your book. Look at this. Clear? वुडन कार्ट व्हील है, उसके ऊपर कैसे रिम फिक्स करते हैं? रिम को पहले हीट करते हैं. ऑन हीटिंग इट विल एक्सपैंड हो जाएगी. ओके, दे विल फिक्स इट ऑन द वुडन व्हील. जब उसका साइज बड़ा हो जाएगा, व्हेन दे विल पुट वाटर ऑन इट, इट विल गेट कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड, साइज छोटा हो जाएगा, एंड इट विल गेट टाइटली फिटेड ऑन दैट वुडन कार्ट व्हील. क्लियर? So some changes are now different types of changes. Mainly we have to do the two types of changes, reversible and irreversible. Changes are of mainly two types that we have to do, reversible and irreversible. Reversible changes means which can be reversed back, which can be taken back into their original form, into their original state. When the change is there may be change in the color, in the size, in the state. Okay, and when we get back all that in the original form, then it is reversible. When we cannot reverse the change, it is irreversible. Means we cannot get back that into original form. Give some examples of reversible changes. Yes?
Folding of paper.
Folding of paper. Folding of paper is reversible change. Like when we get a paper, clear, when we fold it, clear, and its size becomes smaller. When we will unfold it, again we are getting the paper in the original size, original shape. So this is reversible change. And give an example of irreversible change.
Drawing a picture using pen.
Yes, when you use a pen to draw a picture. Drawing by using a pen. If we use a pencil, we can erase it. So this is reversible. But when we use a pen, that is
Irreversible.
cutting of paper, tearing of paper,
Irreversible.
tearing of paper is irreversible. Folding of paper, reversible. Tearing of paper, irreversible. Clear? When we fold a paper to make aeroplane, to make boat, irreversible. But same boat, if we make it by cutting the paper, then it will be irreversible. Give some more examples of reversible changes. Reversible. Folding of paper.
Melting of ice cubes.
Yes, melting is also very good. Melting of ice. Okay, means state change हो रही है. Water की 3 states हैं: solid, liquid, gas. When solid water melts, it changes into liquid form. Liquid से वो gaseous form में जाएगा when it gets evaporated. So change of state is a reversible change. Or we can say it is physical change also. Physical change कब होती है? When there is change of color, when there is change of state, clear, and maybe the change of size also. Maximum changes which are reversible, they are the physical changes. And maximum examples of irreversible changes, they are chemical changes. Now what do you mean by physical and chemical changes? Physical changes means चीज वही रहेगी, सिर्फ उसका कलर, साइज, वो चीज जो है चेंज हो जाएगी, स्टेट चेंज हो सकती है. लाइक वाटर ही होगा, चाहे वो उसकी स्टेट कोई भी हो. अगेन वी विल गेट इट बैक इनटू वाटर. उसके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज सेम रहेगी. लाइक व्हेन वी ऐड सॉल्ट इन द वाटर, इट इज ऑल्सो रिवर्सिबल चेंज. आपने चैप्टर 4 में किया है ना. When we evaporate the water, we get back salt. So this is reversible and physical change. Color of change: when you heat the metallic part of your knife on the flame, so it becomes red hot. When you take it away from the flame, again it will come in the original size, original color. So वो भी क्या है? Physical change and reversible change. Chemical change is cooking of food. Irreversible change में ये आती है cooking of food. When you cook the food, chemical properties of food change. You cannot get back the ingredients in their original form. आप कॉलीफ्लावर कुक कर रहे हो, उसकी वेजिटेबल बना रहे हो, वट एवर यू मिक्स इट इन द फॉर मेकिंग वेजिटेबल, आप ऑयल ऐड करते हो, सॉल्ट ऐड करते हो, ओके, सम अदर स्पाइसेस आप ऐड करते हो, यू कट इनटू पीसेस, क्लियर. देन आफ्टर कुकिंग, कैन यू गेट बैक द रॉ वेजिटेबल इन द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म?
No.
So chemical properties are changed. We cannot get the ingredients back into their original form. So this is irreversible and chemical. Okay. Some changes are desirable and some are undesirable also. Desirable means जो हम चाहते हैं कि हो. Undesirable जो हम नहीं चाहते. We don't want them to happen, like disasters, floods, tsunami, okay, earthquake. We don't want these changes. So these are undesirable and natural changes. Undesirable, if you want to write something, you have to sharpen your pencil. डिजायरेबल. आपको भूख लगी है, कुकिंग ऑफ फूड इज डिजायरेबल, बट स्पॉइलिंग ऑफ फूड इज अनडिजायरेबल. Yes, sometimes milk gets sour, खट्टा हो जाता है दूध, so this is also undesirable. And so one more example, turning milk into curd. This is also irreversible. Changing milk into curd. Now, if you get the question that turning milk into curd is a irreversible change, justify your answer. If you get this for 3 marks, what will you write for that? Turning of milk into curd is an irreversible change. They may ask you, is it reversible or irreversible? Justify your answer. Then what will you write? Justify. आप 3 marks के लिए 3-4 lines you need to write. Yes.
Yes, the turning milk is turning milk into curd is reversible change, and it is the desirable change also.
नहीं, आपने ये justify करना है कि it is irreversible.
It is reversible because when we make the milk sour and make it into curd, we cannot convert curd into milk.
Very good. Okay. जब एक बार मिल्क से कर्ड बन जाता है तो we cannot get the milk back from the curd. So it is irreversible. Second, you can say a new thing is formed. Something new is formed. Curd is having different properties than the milk. Something new is formed. Clear? When some new things are formed, we cannot get back the curd into milk, then that change is called irreversible change. Now change means alteration in the properties, in the physical or chemical properties of an object. आप अल्टर करवाते हो ना, अपनी क्लोथ्स अल्टर करवाते हो, उसको छोटा करवाना है, बड़ा करवाना है. सो जब किसी चीज में अल्टरेशन होती है, उसकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में, दैट इज कॉल्ड चेंज. क्लियर? सो you have to do this chapter. If any problem is there, you can ask me. Now one more chapter is left, that is chapter number 16. Okay, if you have any problem in that chapter, otherwise this chapter is easy. Let's revise that also. Garbage in and garbage out. Clear? What do you mean by garbage first?
Something that is not useful.
Yes, something which is of no use. We want to destroy it. We want to throw it. So we generate a lot of garbage. Garbage is generated in the schools, at home. Okay, daily you fill the dustbins. How can we reduce the garbage and how do we need to dispose the garbage? How can it be disposed? Is it like that we have to throw anywhere? No. We have to put them in the dustbins. Two types of garbage is there. One is biodegradable and other one is
Not biodegradable.
non-biodegradable. What do you mean by biodegradable? Bio means living. Degrade होना breakdown. Garbage which can be broken down broken down into simple. Broken down into simple by the action of microbes. Microbes, they act upon the waste. This type of waste can be easily broken down by the microbes into simple. Means it can be recycled by the microbes. And non-biodegradable, which cannot be broken into simple by the action of microbes. Microbes cannot act upon it. They cannot turn it into simple. So two types of garbage, two types of waste generated at our homes, in the schools, in the buildings, in the hospitals. So biodegradable we should put, biodegradable we should, or non-biodegradable, all the waste should be put in the covered plastics. Don't have to throw it and cannot throw it anywhere. So two types of bins are there at our home. One are green bins
and blue bins.
and blue bins. Non-biodegradable waste should be put in the blue bins, or kitchen waste, peels of the fruits and vegetable, it should be put in the green bins. Now we should put efforts to reduce the generation of garbage. How can we do that? कि हमारा जो वेस्ट है इसको हम कम जनरेट करें. Because it's the problem of government, it's the problem. You also don't want कि आपके आसपास गार्बेज के ढेर लगे हों, बहुत सारा वेस्ट पड़ा हो. तो we should put effort to reduce the generation of garbage. How can we do that?
We should reduce usage of plastic bags.
Yes.
And we should use paper bags.
We should use paper bags. We should not use polythene bags because polythene is non-biodegradable. It's not easy. We cannot dispose of easily. But how can we reduce? सबसे पहले कि we should only purchase the things which we really need. ऐसा नहीं है कि साथ वाले ने न्यू पेंसिल बॉक्स लिया तो मुझे भी चाहिए, चाहे आपके पास ऑलरेडी है. बहुत सारे हम शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें खरीद लेते हैं, हमें यूज भी नहीं करते, ऐसे चीज पड़ी रहती है घर पे, और बहुत सालों बाद फिर what we do, we throw that in the garbage. It should not be there. We should purchase the things if we really need it. Means we should minimize it. And what else we can do? First one is कि we should purchase only if we need. Second, we should reuse it. Instead of throwing, we should put efforts कि हम इसको reuse करें. Like हमारे containers आते हैं, when we buy the biscuits, containers खाली हो जाते हैं, we can reuse them to put the pulses, spices, etc. रख के उनको जब उनको plants लगाने में ही use कर सकते हैं instead of throwing them. और पॉलीथीन बैग्स, फर्स्ट तो रिफ्यूज द शॉपकीपर, वी डोंट हैव टू टेक द पॉलीथीन बैग, प्लास्टिक बैग्स, बट इफ यू टेक दैट, डोंट यूज इट वंस. ओके, इसको उसको बार बार, वी शुड यूज देम अगेन एंड अगेन. वी शुड कैरी देम along with you can carry them along with you to purchase the things next time. जब भी आप मार्केट में जाती हो तो सेम पॉलीथीन, सेम प्लास्टिक बैग यू कैन go with, कि उसमें दोबारा से शॉपिंग करना instead of getting new one. What else we can do? Yes, recycle. Yes, like reuse and recycle the things. Like some plastics can be recycled, so those plastic items we should not throw them. उनको वेस्ट में फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. We should send them for recycling. उनको हमें recycling के लिए भेजना चाहिए. We should try to recycle. We should send them for recycling. Clear? जैसे पेपर है, instead of throwing it, paper can be recycled. इसको भी हमें recycle करना चाहिए. Then after that we should should write on the both sides of the paper. We should not tear the pages. We should not sharpen the pencils uselessly for fun's sake. Okay, अपने कई बार होता बच्चे वैसे ही शार्प करते रहते हैं पेंसिल्स. That is also wastage generation. आप garbage produce कर रहे हो uselessly. Clear? Then plastic bags should not be thrown here and there. We should not burn them. We should try to reduce the use of that. And plastic, although it is cheap, easily available, easy to handle, but sometimes we put eatables in the garbage or in the polythene bags. We throw them on the roads. When stray animals they want to eat that eatable which is in that polythene bag, they swallow the polythene bag, okay, along with that food. It may choke their digestive tract. It may cause the death of that animal. And plastic bags, when they get into the drains, तो ड्रेनेज जो हमारी वाटर सप्लाई है, सीवेज सिस्टम है, उसको चोक कर सकते हैं. Then water may overflow on the road, sewage water. Then plastic may be the problem. Clear? So we should try to minimize the use of plastic. And that's all about this chapter. If any query is there, so you can ask me. Okay? Today is the last lecture of this session. If any query is there regarding these two chapters, you can ask me.